So behind the wheel of the Legacy, what are you doing, Hyundai? This car has a really nice level of finish. It's a very cheap car in Japan for a lot of wagon. It's the EJ20 twin turbo, 5-speed. The GTB E-Tune designates a couple of things, including OE Bilstein suspension. This is our EJ20 Boxer, 2-liter Boxer, twin turbo. There's turbo 1 and turbo 2. It's putting out a lot of horsepower for a little guy. Take a quick walk around the Legacy now. On its face you can see a unique Subaru badge and the E-Tune badge there. OE fog lamps. It's on its original stock alloys, and we've installed new Cooper tires. There you can see the Bilstein suspension, original on all corners. Reasonably good paint on this car. There are a few scuffs here and there. There's the GT Bilstein badging and a very nice STI Genome exhaust, which sounds excellent. In the back of the wagon you have a ton of space. There's a strange series of tonneau covers there, some webbing which pulls out of the seats, and another cover. This looks like a child seat anchor, and I've never seen one of these on a Japanese car before. But this seems like a pretty family-friendly car. I was surprised at the condition of the upholstery in this car. It's in excellent condition. It's a very durable material. This thing has 106,000 kilometers on it, and there is no wearing in the seats. It still looks like it's in new condition. Another unusual feature on this thing is power seats. It adjusts every way you'd want it to, and works. The mats were all in great shape. And stick, which makes it fun. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.